Hey guys, so today I'm trying out InVideo AI, so you don't have to. And please watch until the end, I have a little surprise for you. Let's be real. Sometimes when you're creating YouTube videos, you're just feeling lazy. I know I do. And can we talk about the explosion of AI video tools in the last 6 months? There are so many out there, but this one came highly recommended by a friend, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I hopped onto their website, they have an app too, by the way, and first impressions? Pretty basic, but it's got some nice templates. Nothing too flashy. But let's be honest, we're here for the results, right? Now, let's talk money. You can make a decent amount on YouTube without putting in hours of work. Trust me, I've done it. And the best part, you don't even have to stress about it. So, I went ahead and signed up, of course, for free. I mean, who pays for something they haven't tried yet, right? Signing up was super easy. I just connected my Google account and bam, I was in. At this point, I had no idea what kind of video I wanted to make. I wasn't exactly prepared, but hey, that's what makes it fun. So I typed in something super cliche, the loveliest guy on earth. And wow, let me tell you, I was impressed. They gave me options to choose from, like sci-fi, drama, or movie vibes. Naturally, I went with drama because, well, I'm all about the drama. They also asked about the look, feel, and platform, so I picked YouTube. Now, here's the cool part. When I hit create, they gave me a link, and not even a minute later, my video was ready to download. And guess what? There's no forced payments, and it's in small quality. But come on, I am just trying free version. I hurries download the video to checked. Actually, I don't have to.
What if you woke up one day and everyone was gone, completely alone? It's been 365 days since humanity vanished. No voices, no laughter, just the endless hum of a desolate world. Every morning he wakes up, hoping, praying for a sign of life. But all he finds is the echo of his own footsteps. He scavenges for food, treks through abandoned cities and fights the crushing weight of loneliness. His only companions? Memories of a world that once was. Yet, amidst the despair, he clings to hope. He plants seeds in barren soil, writes letters to no one, and dreams of a miracle. Because even in solitude, the human spirit is unbreakable. Surviving alone is more than a fight for life. It's a testament to resilience, a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. And so he endures, not just as the last man on earth, but as a symbol of humanity's enduring will to survive.
Wow. Just wow. The script is on point and the visuals are surprisingly solid. I'm seriously considering becoming a member. So I checked out the pricing. There's a free option, a plus plan for $20 a month, and a max plan for $48 a month. But here's the best part. I've got something cool for you guys. You can get 50 minutes of AI video creation on InVideo for free. The link is down below, so at least give it a try. I hope you enjoy editing with InVideo AI as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you liked it, and if you make a video, share it with me so we can all see how awesome it turned out. Have a great day, and again, don't forget to subscribe.